Welcome to Advanced Screen Input Manager tutorial. Make sure to read how to use file before watching this video for each controller. First you need to create canvas, then add mobile control prefab. Go to button inside mobile control prefab and then choose ID for controller. Make sure to not have the same ID twice in same controller. Choose the resolution that you design button at. You will find the resolution under Game tab. Choose any changes is size with resolution, but make sure to read details and how to use files first, then choose max distance that button can move to in pixels. Let's try to use button now. Let's switch to debug mode to show changes in script. Let's try double-click down and double-click up. Let's try changing resolution. Let's try changing sizes with resolution one by one to see the effect of each one. Make sure to read details and how to use files first to have the same result. First one is changing max distance with resolution. As we see, max distance changed after resolution changed. Now let's try change border size with resolution. As we see, unlike the first play, the border size remains constant, which means the size changed to take same space of screen for the new resolution. Now let's try change button size with resolution. As we see, unlike the first and second play, the button takes the same space after resolution changes. Let's see in other resolution. Now return to normal mode. Let's have an example how to make a player controlled with this controller. First let's create a terrain, then let's move controller to suitable place. Add player prefab or create a new game object. Now let's move to script. This line is checking if player is still pressing the controller. This line is used for rotating gradually player in same direction of controller with rotating speed. Make sure to convert angle from radian to degree before setting it on Unity, and on T convert it if you will use it in sin and cosine methods. This line is used for moving player forward after rotating him. This index is the ID of controller we set earlier. Let's add movement script to play a game object and play. As we see player move in same direction of controller. Let's edit rotation speed to see its effect. Now let's edit move speed. Finally, let's explain how to use events. First, add method or methods to event. This is the method we created. This is the event in controller. Let's try it now. As we see the event of down and move and up activated, which activate their methods. Now let's check double-click down and double-click up. Finally, let's check on resolution change event. The move event does not run only one time, it runs multiple times until stop moving button. And that's it for this controller. I hope you understand it well. If you have any questions, you can contact us in comment or in our site link in description.